Hey guys, I'm gonna make a quick video about Zenith talk, and this time it's gonna be about the canopy and the shading that I put on top. There was a question on our Facebook page yesterday or 2 days ago, people doing different things and discussing if it's worth it or not. I think it's a huge benefit to have it on. What I did was I put car window tint on it. This was many years ago, I guess not long after we started flying it. And that's what I did. That was accessible. So it's not the prettiest of things, but it does work. One benefit of having it a window tint is that I can still see through it. So if I'm in a circuit and I'm doing turns, I can still look through it and see any other airplanes that might disappear. But that's a small excuse, because if I fly Miranda, I'm flying Cessna. In turns, you lose visibility. Anyways, I'm going to climb inside and show you guys from the inside what it looks like. So I'm sitting inside. I zoomed out a little bit on my camera so I can capture more, so the picture is going to be a little bit wide. But if you look, it's not the prettiest of things, right? Like, I got air bubbles. I made these cuts for the overlap because I didn't know what else to do. It's been on probably fairly quickly after we started flying it, which was I think 2008 or something like that. So I'm sure that nowadays people have better, much nicer, cleaner ways of doing it, but this is what I knew how to do, and that's what I did. So here's another angle, more or less what it looks like from when the canopy is closed. So it's just sort of past my head. So I have, I can look this way and it's still clear, but I can look all the way through, like the 180-degree view from one shoulder to the other, and I can still see through the shading. But I would think that nowadays, with the car wraps and all that stuff, and maybe a little bit more skill how to put it on, it would look better. But yeah, it works. So here's another look up closer from the outside. Obviously the film is on the inside because I wouldn't want to risk having it on the outside, but like I said, maybe nowadays you can. I've seen it where people have elected to paint the canopy, which is fine, I guess, if that's what they want to do, but then it's on forever, whereas this, I can change if I wanted to or needed to, or finally, years into it, felt embarrassed enough about the poor quality, I can't change it. So that's one side to it. So that's it. That's going to be the short video. And if the question is, should you put shade on your Zenith canopy or not, I would say put shade on your canopy. I know the RV guys have a little curtain that you can slide back and forth. That's probably an excellent system. I don't know. I've never seen it up close, but I would imagine that their stuff is very refined. It's possible, most likely, that you could adapt it to the Zenith too, and have it in a Zenith. So anyways, thanks for watching the video. Talk to you later.